As explorers and scientists ventured deeper and deeper into the caves and into the story of how caves form, it became apparent that this area was threatened by something much faster than all this running water. Humans may have appreciated the beauty, but they were also damaging and destroying what they came to admire and what took nature so long to create, leading some forward-thinking people to call for the cave's preservation. Clearly, there needed to be some form of protection put in place, or the beauty of these caves wouldn't be around for future generations. To protect the cave's fragile beauty, President William Howard Taft declared the Oregon Caves a national monument in 1909. Now, more than a century later, these caves and the areas that are part of the national monument can be explored and enjoyed, having benefited from careful preservation and protection. The U.S. Forest Service protected the monument until 1934, when it was transferred to the National Park Service as part of a reorganization of government under President Franklin Roosevelt during the Great Depression. Touring these caves can be a little rigorous for some. Sometimes you have to really crouch down and move around obstacles. And oh yeah, watch your head. The engineering in these caves is done by Mother Nature, not Imagineers. Brave and hardy souls created greater access for visitors by blasting these connecting tunnels between the caves. The National Park Service has long blended the goals of accessibility for visitors and the need to protect and preserve the fragile biology and geology of the monument. But in the 1980s, park managers realized the tunnels had also introduced new air patterns, causing freezing air to flow inside in the winter. This caused ice wedging that was destroying the very formations that visitors came to see. The cold air was also a threat to bats and other species that call the caves home. Once the problem was realized, the Park Service built doors in the tunnels to protect the cave's formations and animals. Some creatures visit the caves, but don't live in them year-round. One example, bats. A number of bat species have visited here for long before humans ever wandered in. But they also use the cave only in winter to hibernate, taking advantage of the consistent 44-degree temperature in the caves. In addition to bats that temporarily use the cave today, other animals used the caves long before humans ever set foot in North America. In recent years, carbon dating of bone fragments found in the caves show that Ice Age jaguars utilized the caves about 36,000 years ago, and grizzlies lived here more than 48,000 years ago.